Hello, this is Shane Russell from Colorado Springs CrossFit. This is my video experience of the 2014 Lurong Challenge. A lot of things happened this year. I was happy with all of our athletes as a validator, and as a coach I was happy with all of our athletes and what they did as far as their performance and their improvement from the first three workouts to the last three workouts. As far as myself, I was able to get in basically just the workouts throughout the challenge because of business issues and some very pressing personal issues that I had. But I was very happy, and I always look forward to the challenge because it kind of gets me refocused back on the things that I need to do, which are eat right and then make sure that I'm exercising correctly. So the challenge was, I really had a good time with the challenge, and I learned to cook a little bit more, just a little bit, not a lot, but a little bit more than I had before. But overall, just because of the camaraderie and things that are going on within the gym, I really enjoy the Paleo Challenge, and I'm looking forward to the Resolution Challenge coming up here. And if we can keep people consistent with this and keep people working on their nutrition just as much as they work on their exercises and what they're doing in the gym, then we can make some big improvement. We can do a lot of good things. But that's my experience with it, and it continues, and look forward to next year. Thanks.